Kasa kutatumi pa. Nti asama obi tu obi so. Se wo kan papa, se wo kan bone. Nti yen sunsun ni pa bra wo. But wo hwe sunsun fema. No ade se kasa ni pia bonti se papa ni funu wa ha papa. Nti a men pentem fo obi ani ngase meto abonten. Se wo de pewdi agi na obenya ma. Kasa kutatumi. Nti Bible say ayem tu na naka. Ya research kakama me. Nipa bia yedi ewuto to no so. Baby duye. Se nipa no wo mu ahe e na wo mu da so ti ase. Awa ti ase for asase so. Nipa bi o hwem yankasa ye no research. Ye wadi bi o pedin di agi. Ba lita wan ya ne de bebre e di amani ni sane ni o ha na ba beto wakwe. Di no wo di ato papa no so in the way me ji mi se papa man kasa bi be plan se mo fa nkwatu abonte se me na mi fa gidi na pa de dia gidi ya owo na wo ba kasa ode to no se wo mo fa nkwatu abonte dia kuro wo be danu shebrema abrabo na be apilisie ni osu nti de bi me tu fi se bolu ba pe be na fa hija forget no bi e ka social media nti amambre ni amande o Bible nti yewu Yesu adenti na Bible si ekuma abro no mani bia kodebo afare ma senka oye onkonko na be ma wawo so what then you know say yes say nyama no afare body ye ku aboa e de bo afare ma na mi say bi no where is 66 is up with the Bible not with the 66 books now is any enough ma we feel until the Christ of be aye chi dey for them brand you be water bomb pipe be water wo be say we shoe na che kakra won color no aye ko because the mindset no I say we Christ no ko ni say we edu
so mo akwa eba too much no so dey maso from a person near the man so me apple bi asena mo sa ebit me kan jumede woni kusi eyesusu mo say mo ni prophet Adona na be din ko now ebusia the previous week information about point dey say so for Elisha was say if ato anomo esie now you follow up ekowo ebusia for na do kwe wo ni say papa na on to a esie do na papa na o free mu ye but as a matter of fact Thursday and Friday no and now falling into deep coma me no kase no or down or come more information bia say we no e better bontie but now en community be e cost behind this now what him say settings in the sense that papa ni we no no juma na what she say na be ya na so no e be sen e preja but we say this cannot be true because only pan kwa de yen friend bi agro star me second prophet Adonai come home abrede en community ba be sheshe so Adonai, not all that too much. You see, no, I'm not too much. What do you go for? Good. Prophet, information about that point, you say, why we are prophet, Elisha will say, Kofi. You, but you could be stable first, no much say, you free me alone or deep coma. But it changed 7 months for air and lady say, Papa no to quine. A set up dinner was an air. Earlier, say it might be sad, fast so for. What if I say, would you say?
Papa mi chia hwefo mo hwe esambe me pai mo so ba de yakopɔ ni obi bia koma so bi sade ma na ehye ne die no ya ebi fo no apia mo nti se we film na me busua so de aba so film o mi so ko ba e wo Ghana na se o mai foforo so chese e wo Ghana aye na asɔre mari bia ko sa fa so ko ma ba
so ma so chese papa ni wu
so when on the bar bon tin ba din kan be bo papa de wutu kasa kutatumi pa. Nti asama obi tu obi so. Se wo kan papa, se wo kan bone. Nti yen sunsun ni pa bra wo so.
Ile ne kwe.
Nti ni odi kan ba tu abonten. Se papa na firi abra on firi no. Papa no se nyame boa no. Na se ni ebusu na kai se wo koma. Otumi ba nkon biwa. Onhwe na onye adwuma yi. Yes sir. Ona nkasa wasama na kra no o makoya beda no de okasa bi wa beka se o pedi agidi a later no wan hwe ni ya e chiri ni e de bebre wo senka Wodi 19 misi uye difo na ni bebi anyame odo wonama obreo say me trend me pre me hu me pese Ghana hu me pe opro say u preja ho a obeto fom team ama nia na ofi say wo ye na de bebro no mum ye de bebro na nka wa anye kranke me asino ni bo meti wa hwe ni perfect but wo hwe fema no ande se kasa ni pia bonti se papa ni firi no ha papa no
wa ha no kamera say information so ya no
abi ese wo ade ba kwa ya sentrofo ni bloggers aba o ma wi mu ye wo mu wi na o ma fa o mu edi akwayo me de petrend later no na ma wani pa na asem ne fa no ho no wa no papa ni firi mu obi abeto atum framem bloggers ni afa eti wiase afa na nya na dofo ne ti before kwai se na o mesi be fa no later be ba se o firi mu na ino ho na dodo no ene bi wo a okọ hospital na information ya o se pie ne bi so ofa kan ne ya o se eni so kan wa ka betu keke kasa kutatu the Bible say I am to na naka ya research kakama me libe bia ye di ebutoto no so be duye se nipa no wo mu ahe ena wo mu da so tiase awa tiase for asase so nipa bi o hwem ya nkasa ye no research ye wadi no o pedin diaje ba lita wan ya ne de bebrel edi amani ni esane ni oha na eba beto wakwe nti ne omo de ato papa ne so in a way me nji mi se papa na nkasa ni bi be plan se mo fa nkwatu abonte se me na mi fa gidi na pa de dia gidi ya owo na wo ba kase ode to no se wo mo fa nkwatu abonte me ye sure but ni pa mi wo asa wo ne wa asem se wo ni bi asem ne se bi papa no do no na wo ye bibi se wo de gu papa ne ni mas se wo gina yi na wo ya hwe yi
ba odifo so ka se asem na abeta bonte no se nya mpa se owokoma eno no no obi ahye se ye be ka se owokoma
me ka se obi oni obi ahye misi se ni pa na edu a oni ne wa asem ana ne hu ye obi eyi
se nya mpa
se nya mpa na ni pa ne edu papa no do no no ende se ho do dia ne me ka bibi dia to so se we free mu a nipa na wo de sa asem ni pie
wo so wasa mind no
all wasa man yeah
how because obi betima kan de betima ke dia internet and e wo kan e wo se bi koye de wo kan wo
kasa bia wo so wasa asem
nti wo se you follow do obi e ke dia
ni obi e ke dia ne yi a ni obi kan yi a
se obi na say owokoma e fe se we free mu onu ka hwe nti obi a
kasa ni bi nti obi abra bo so da especially obi we susu ni mo okasa ni nese ni awo kan nipa ni mo hwe na ye wo na wo de wa no ka na if se papa no no do no o sorry no bet se kasa no di ya no sorry o so be ya
okay
obeya nti kasa no wa hwe wa no Bible say ya ntu ya no nareka nti a men pentem fo obi anim guase meto abonten se wo de pewdi agi na obeya man won to you ni de oh me ye bibi no bi o se me na me kuta ado na power tv or tiktok nti no nipa be hu bi chenda but later me ya problem bloggers be brebre o ba wo ka bloggers be brebre pa wo mo ya we then ya na nipa no bi se obi social media na okasa oh we di abetu abonten ne de na no kre beko no kokom no ne ofem wa brabom no kwa no wo so camera si ne nim dia se camera ye bia na metia kasa kama ba wo nim kokom ase de bia me kasa obi abeka ase ma to no so oba be yiwa no o ni papa ba ni abeka ase ma to no so o me yiwa no wo hwe bo esa ma se ni pa no ai mo esa
But only for me concern here say the obi can follow. I didn't know what say Okoya Quanche found. And yes, I watching no way can we watching away to carry because would ye a day. I don't know what to be sure, but I will say, Nasa Obi see me wa. I didn't know the man attention. Let me focus what the them they are.
So be no wa obi mpewase.
You
That the top on thing say. Obi the better on thing say. Osi me see we free. Obi to me na say kasa na da bon ti nipa do many be to be it.
and I'm say Obi can I die with
Abete wiem no. Ebeda wiem na fan from me ko.
only for in church no.
Share. Bible say you tu ya no na le kan ye kasa bia bo na say fi wonum etia wo ba na etia wo nua na etia obi. Kasa mo tu wi. Obi tu mi fan ko sua. Asimi na waye say wan say po na ye duma me wa. Say ko sua keke.
Say the so from Nipano or did you avoid it? But where the from Nipano and what the say, as soon as you were free, yes. Well, as far as Obi na me abosh ya nipa gia tom. O tanfu bi o pound wenya
nyina so. Ade be wa de be eduma. Minimum bi anfu obi sori tia no ya no pepepe. Hwe. I think so. Your kasa bi o Bible ma ya nipa ne kan o kan ne tra. Won to ma no na reka. Woni mo asem no betumi gina so dia brɛ was. Me no iska me na we kunkon. Betumi aka wa bo simple. Me hwe ya mani.
Ba odi for said you okay yampa. O man ye wo me your kofo a titiri for penifo your man no si omo so. Say we o manye o man penida. John Mahama Akufo-Addo. But later they became
me ya le china then is. Then we can ya yanko. Now we talk about 2024.
Yeah.
The commission will be by say president is show you.
Yeah.
Yeah. Good. We are now.
Yeah, we
me coach will be. You talk about 2024. Answer na president Robert so kwatu aban. Ahwefo ehwe me set social media. Okole papa na so ko bon paya na mpinifo akese wo nim fom. Wo mu delete. The papa no name na so. No wo mu de attachment bi kwa ye so. Mu so wo mu bie so. Ama bon paya video no social media pam tanyam na me de to no so mana ro. Mo research am mo. Ama bon paya asa na ko to na ba. You ye dani adi
kasa no bukan no.
Me say obi ya wona no ye convince ni bo tumba ye convince ni through the whole life. Ni obi ya born ye man post what tema. Obi no akwechi.
Odi for tema.
Me yere de ba me nim.
Okay.
This papa me we say wa onima tie. Ono me support for the past very 5 years ah. Eduma no ye no bi o 7 na say obi a onye normal. Eduma no so wuni. Where the apart there will do. Miss Minim teacher will be what radio can cost university. But I can say, Beckers and me, I said myself, young. At your school, let me in it. One more like one man better if you know much and a cup of paper. You be a German, I said, I say, Adam. Diagro we be danu shebrema abrabona be apilisie ni osu nti de bia me tu fi se bolu bai pe be na fa hija forget no bia ka social media na ado we koye ma no we buhwe we no ma ogro di ni pa no ka se ja be sesrefo na uma esi apin
odi for
se ye sha kom to so. Oh, about to say people will be 2028.
Yeah.
About for me, say about for start to share come. You be really, and then I shall say about the boy.
Yeah, good.
In commission, the give for the work. But I say, be ye Juma. Say ye Juma. A general shoe.
I know now what can do for me and just say. The possibility say, will be upon whom day. We who say, as soon as he upon whom day. Now, I say, will be upon whom day. There o gina nkwale ni to ni be gina it is a who be all born who more, they know cast a call with about the president of Ghana. Then comes here because IGP cry IGP. I'm not for can you say he can become a president in Ghana all because of the modern born or born. It's a shall come say, F.O. will be saying, ne ambimua. And I said, then you come say, when you make a retreat, one, what can I say? Are you reading? I know different way. Different way.
Now, you say, Joseph should die. In the Dutch. But when we bring account. No, you say, oh, we rainbow colors, we say, oh, you know, me didn't know, oh, and then I say, and one, when we break account. The what? No, you say, maybe I shouldn't buy, and I want a year fever. And I'm a boy. Do you know, say, the fear? On to be dear, so penny. And I'm a boy.
Yeah.
Good. But now, baby, I'm a shaman. May you be on fee, say, and your honor, when you say, and shadow. Nti no koi wo mu yi fi mo ku se o be ni pakese wo man kura na on fi sun na wo wa de eju wo sa na ti nkom se betumi adaw so a obi ani ye ka ayi nkofo ya wo mo ye promise na sen ya se ka se hwem ne wa bo party abre party wa kun to kwa ni so kwa na nkasa mi ji di se ni o tres o be ni wo to kwa bi o ku ni ku ya wa inka yakase epobi dia intasha na nka wanya nse before we kase we nse ni bebe tia be ma peni nse before we wu be ye be na mi ye di e gbeda no ye di ahokere na obrato so nipa bebre ni nti abrabo ne bo ni e wo hihye wo yema no sa na ye be hwea o ti ahye wo ade asa wo da ade ti a wo hware a e be bo wo abrabo on the year for a new go see ye who assassin so ye for a new ye be so ni pedua ni ti ni pedua wo na wo so da ya wo ye ti asiwu o kra na da oh be 5 years ago so da no mama wo ye ma sha se ya hwe brown be wo tumi chi ya wo se we chi master and fa nti obi ho so person to kwai me no be to kwai no esi so ni hwade wo so be to kwai o to kwai 3 times ni e bo ne bai okoya we ya wa yi ofem kwa no nti ase ko to kwai wa cha go so ko ni e bo ne ma sisi okodu ya ateze 2 years no be July obi says last time ni di wa nti papa mama mi ko 2 years no na ya so da ya sia 5 years now, we be paper show paper.
Ba odi for e ba na say na wo ka say obi oye o Kristo ni esan corporate spiritual father so pe Bible because say my through be a father.
Why not okay?
Ya true.
E wo right.
Ya true when say e ja ba ko pe eni yakopon.
Yakopon
yeah. Into the men free obi ase ja say spiritual father apart from your biological father. The next father ni you it is obi e Kristo ni na say nyame mu na ote nyame mu na owa Bible be build na wo so say here we are say bisa amofo te bisa
nti no oti Yesu den dia ene ano
so oti nyakopon
yes nti problem ye no na na mo ba
ya like o Bible na wi
nti aso yi bae nema CAC me Pentecost me say only story ne kaka.
Okay, meaning story but I mean how true it is.
The story is Makion GD say only power ya say we treatment. And apostle him to GD say what for Christo with the Holy Spirit. We are here and this only
yeah.
GD na kwaya.
I hear you.
I did here. The same Bible. Adedia. Eye dey ti no for kwame nkansa ye ne de na African fit. Na apostle ni ye ne de na CAC na Matthias be Pentecost. But there are 3 people they are praying na Saman kase. I just should buy first. I don't know Gideon no how na chiche bi ye miansa. But the same issue na. Luke chapter 2 verse number Luke chapter 2 obi ohwe de nya na je read from verse 1 to end. Yesu Bible say obofo no be share ne ma me mere nkom pepepe. And ye say nka nkonkon na be share mere yinsi. Nti ewu Yesu adenti na Bible say ekuma abro no mani bia kodebo afare ma. Senka oye nkonkon na be share ma wawo. So what then you dey say yes say nyama no afare body ye ku aboa e dey afare ma. Adenti Hebrews chapter 6 verse number 1. I say, Mama, you find Jesus Christ in church and to the young coin. I did ya. The young people call funny away in me. Now is a video 95:17. I say, you can't demonstrate different about in your income. When you say the money, I say, the material. And I'm what? 1 Corinthians 15 verse number 44. I say, was show me, baby. They won't let me show me, baby. And I'm in the tea. I will not. Yeti emuno na yede kasa. Ose, nkonkon ne ba. Obey mo kakaifo, echechefo. Ose otini, oba no tira yim. Otiyim. Ana meboa. Revelation chapter 22, verse number 16. Ose na mashama bofo so won dengira mo so ya no no fa mo nsa memre. Nti yaji Yesu di ba wa abofo be dire so ya. Nkonkon so abetre mo asa abofo be dire so ya. You will never be in your sure. Yantia Siami and Church, and also a tree. You could tell me. Well, Bible, the Bible said, come and look to this year, and then you the one for the African Bible. And now, the Bible. But the Bible, remember, the Holy Bible. The Holy Bible. Now you see the African Bible. TikTok for Moshe Kakrawai. Oh, from the African Bible. But more YouTube near there. I don't think they do more here, but the name is the African Bible. Okay. The African Bible. Man, young say, and your Bible different. Any I don't know. But TikTok for the I think say move it to me from Genesis. Well, Genesis are basic revelation. What should I say? What Biblia pepe. More TikTok. They I think say more ya move to me. And I don't know. It's a cameraman also YouTube for it to me kakra. From Genesis to Revelation, me about pepe. Move washa fobe Yesu ya de kakra madam wa mo hwema me Genesis wo nti am pese me kyerem na Yesu ya de wa kakra madam mo am YouTube ni ade no. Okay come on my room papa kinyi we from Genesis to Revelation map me bo a scripture say we ya no pa che so betumi abobo a na e de atutu we ni nia we mu pepepe the African Bible pepepe baby count. No, the person just African Bible. Wait, 66 African Bible. 66 no. Me remember one na so be nya no wa paper. Na wa hwe ne wa ha e bi mu we. No is say me ka asema. Wo ne wo 66 me so me kuta 75. Nti me bibia wo. It's a maybe me program na be say only Jesus obi and out to Jesus. He is the master, he is the way. He is the Messiah, or he is the pillar. Nobody. But you will never know why Jesus may. I won't say that we knew that was also playing him. You that programming to your mindset. Me say when somebody bring another tenor, a different in church. Some majority of the Christians believe on. But this is the African Bible. It contains 75 books. I want you to hold this Bible, Shumami, Adama. Bible, say, now mention the scriptures to the people to know. Say, we will see and I have the Gospel of Thomas, Mary Magdalene, and Joseph, and Judas. This is the gospel of them. The book of Thomas now, about this Bible, I bet you I say, nipa bia baby who are we give say wo corner one na wo. So element ye sure who are ko nsuo. Who dey ja who are ko jebi. Who dey from who are come from. But Christo know say with the Holy Bible meeting, who dey are evil teachings. But Thomas no ka Yesu sua for eh then na no nsema ye wa bontin. Where is 66? He's not with the Bible, not with the 66 books. Now is any enough man we feel. Until the Christopher may be a the gift for the more brain. Do you know what I want pipe? I don't know how we say we should not check a crack. One color. I call because the mindset, you know, I understand the Christian look any you know. Yeah, majority of the year heaven. That's the product. So for the year come say 2028.
The world is coming to an
end.
But also only for argumentative purposes. But also books the can books there. The other by a creation. These books were on the very almost so references to. But I said they Christopher they when they common book.
And also a majority
because most of these books and yet a conform within that one and no one will try.
Yeah, not try. Yeah,
7 and 6 and 7 books of Moses and most natural upside down.
You found yeah, I didn't say no.
But who say most only for meaning say information I work it on the actually why you gather all those informations. It's a for argument purposes.
Yes.
But say obi show no on TBD Asia or who can say come share face to face. That's what if I do now and now can say I didn't know what cancer. So Bible name change in a better ending now. Yes, I did free. It is so who can say obi protection be also and I'm side we so they believe the mutia ko shebe bia only idea of no na wabutemu no na muremu na onamusu so adan so for say Uncle Bible to no to Bible because the didn't super.
You see about time Bible.
It no
Bible.
I was saying to know nienti awokasa. Ne dia na Kristo dia na honhom na ye ene da dia honhom ne nye ye. Everything there was a would be to one more ekope e de beka ho.
Say read the Bible here. Revelation chapter 16 verse number 5 here. I say na me wo both wo hwe so a auto di ni yankopon aye no se da wa hindie ti woda ai hye wa bo so bia di
say isu bia isu
nti ana na wo gindi say aye wo so ko mi so na wo ko mi so do se bo so meti so na bo so tim so na water was free water no ma wo mi say water ne bottle water wo mi ya abuso no so na wo
but say eselo susu
nti wo go bia na say ma wo
onemu nsuo
no nature
yeah
but some now most ye pen the kulu the Bible from Genesis to Revelation. Let me use this Holy Bible. Baby na say but somebody but somebody ni pa bia shutu but somebody ni shutu o e ye no body mu ahwe ewu e no control show at the moment obi di information wa be get to parliament to cram and you operate unless who are waking so into more in drawing activation so power PT2 any healing body and ya habaya nature habaya me boy ya we be no ma you feel cram so into e ma wan kasa na ma wu se cram ade no what you say into I make say yare a doctor by reject me prophet I do na mesa so we say diabetes in you me so no diabetes about opa bra into here but one thing say me ntonwe go mesayare nti me no ba tun che wa diabetes na now by the 3 months price so na me treat for 3 months na ko hospital ko check na bra you say nature ni kuta tumi and ni tumi na me pese ni nya me tumi ya ni na body na nya ni na body adi bia ye make bia Bible no Bible no ngira so Paul mu ya no mu twa nwan si o
because
Paul mu ya no mu twa nwan si o Paul, 1 month I say it. I want it. That's your Bible, Acts, book of Acts 21. Paul, no children. The other Paul got the fiasse. Yet, she look at you, fiasse. I did ya. I didn't know about what your cassatia. I don't know Dodge, no Dodge quiet. I finish your Dodge quiet. I feel short enough for what they call. And I won't get this idea pretty. I was young. And I feel sure bay. Until I finish shooting against you, dear. No, that was 1 penny. And then the money could be fierce. The pastors know the truth, but they don't want to reveal it unless the prophet they give from a kind of practical. It's a different point, eh? But I said, about time Elijah, only Elijah calling you. I don't know kind. I will say, it's only about Elijah, before my guidance. I pay for no map. And then Elijah gets on me. I was mumbling Maria, and then I throw Bible name. No fighting. Or the question is only a question, Julia.
Or the sense of
But I don't know, I throw Bible. If only you found a yen, and the yens and the whole my young son a can.
But Pina yet man choice today.
Yes, you may. Oh, my family, Jesus book.
Now, we are saying, oh, be a quotation.
Oh, Missy B. Acts chapter 21. To almost 34 verse 1. Bible no clear. Now, I saw Tiasia. I am meant to 250. We left verse 1. I'll be your story. Yeah, see, we are all catching my son or Matthias. It's a mumbling man, your Bible. It's your one church. You can't, hey, say you. What? Your Bible, the canon. It will be panic of Bible quotation and to soon to go. But on quotation to not say, Bible say,
Finyaminani, say, on Tiasia, and our Jim.
Yeah, I had your nature before me say. So, when we soft for and what better social media church and say, Paul, now could you die? And a chill now. No prophet Adona no can. This is the first time prophet Adona can prophet Adona media me finyam.
Okay, I think I better to know say Acts 21.
Acts 21, I was starting from 19 number. Who wants to Paul no could you die? And what can I say? No cassette and tell Paul to money try 5. Some be a cassette Paul to die. No could you die. Some be preach that. Some be a cassette Paul says he was a Paul or trust any kana. Some be a quote to or Hebrews chapter 6 say Paul the for Jesus Christ and church and order. Some be about social media.
Say who say asamono what for who tiasie different from be soon tiasie any any contradiction
you know say if say men tiasie different
because Bible say yan fa Christo
in church
and to one I say elementary teachings they
na yan foundation
yeah they say
Christo no foundation no be okay say me find me leader in church to what do you want to tell me
there be
your president not directive bebre o man parliament gitu na president assign president say ya shemra your boss 6 will be na me so I don't know me say mama you for president in church chairman me challenge the president and I make no
prophet eno ni entiase awo
president ashemra na me so ma ba ponti like I say mama you for president in church chairman to wa me na president 102
so I say president fundamental intellectual Christo elementary basic intellectual just say was so we need free side because all the no start here maybe I mean jina won mo e was so kan ko weni o kan ko ne edo
intime say we be Christian church am so me say pe ba mo ti kwan ya now so ka dem say Christo baby they understand I say jina Christo wa
it's only for who can
buy Jesus in Luke chapter 2 verse number 20 Bible said the abro no mani bian kuba for a man Indi man akanya na twefo
o de me aware
oh aware
yeah me dem no just pass it take for no need say yanka obetimi a stress off
say Luke chapter 2 they say then Jesus you ko abro no mani bian kuba for a man
yeah that was the custom
and don't na Jesus na won konko be share ne maame ye won ye saa de no ma na yan kasa no we de susu kokko na hye ne ma mi nsi ye won no bofo no de bi mbae nti we de ye ntumi fa amambre ne amande enka no ese de fiaka ade nti na bofo na san ba me so saa de
nti odifo apart from elui onyaminam so de ye enkofo wodjuma Bible be bi wasam na wo kan wasam
ye ka Bible
mama ebi no wo chi na ede kun kofo ko mu ebi wo nsu bi omo no ebi wo oil bi
David no ni ya mekasa na David di ne mi so je ni pele akogina okwa na yiku no wa fa ne ye no da no so da se mi so je ni pele ne kra no sunsun ne tata na okwa Psalm 51:7 ka kire ya mi se David no ka kire mi se o fe gbira so ya haban o fe yi no fi na no we fita ko ni se da fi aka no ni pe bia se ni se Psalm 16 or this on Psalm 51:7. Also, on fait du rail, then we fit as a situation. And then David and Kaitri, I'm saying, you know, I'm so my bonnet here. Say that to me, sign soon to lady with infinity. Now, tell himself, you know, the can't be any piano better. In Isaiah 16, it's a moon garden. A spiritual bath, like I was.
And one protection.
Yes. I saw crown out. Now, moreover, Nipa because of crown here. Nipa if you say you are or the Ephibia canoe, and that's why they like Ungary, and I say, no, we saw no crown nice and we don't want you. So maybe you now crown in the year would be a better for.
Okay.
Until you don't know about for you. But you will be up for about rock in a sound. We are the why you don't coffee. Nti no ba bia kwa na ene da. Nti so da bi.
Olivo.
Wo pe ma bebre ahwe de omo
ba ade ebi yesu ba bi ni ba.
Da bi ni pe bi ensuo ni ade aye de tag ni pe bi a element edi ni.
Nti oba bi ayo ba.
Oba bi ayo ba. Oba bi wa ene ne mbu kwase oba bre.
Okay.
Do wo wata bu ma kwase abebre omo hwe wo ni se bra na omo bre. We should do it. Obi osunsun edi mechi ne ho ade. Obi kwase obedwuru
Prophet, there are so many brema e owo ni edi nkomo se ne de yakọ echi.
Eti se nipa ti Yankopon enchechre ene nyame abode ase. Mother nature na nyame de maaye. O de maaye mfo se beboa ye nipa asitimi. Ti Bible se mu ni duaba no fo ne han sa ya. Ade na uji Christ di ankasa ni ka ye free. Nka se ne se na makio oji tu mi se we are so hospital me treat you. Apostle him say no. Uji Christ di enu anu. But Bible say ni duaba na we eye habayo e na ni ai 50 sa. Ubi mo bi okotoju yare eye 4 set na na. Eye bempem adwuma. Ana obi o ni tita pai no pa na obi a the spinal cord ni tire ne ya. Ana obi a na stress ntin twitwe no sciatica. Ana ni kotodwe obi wa ne 9 days from no kura na mu yendu. Obi tinasika krebia na bibiya. Eye haban unye bi no no betu ase. Eye haban obo ade enkopon abode. Yare bi ni wo de akọ doctor reject wa. Oba prophet ado na ni ma unya yaresa. But one thing say me nton edu mi sayare. Ayaho sati Yankopon abodi mu nti haban eni nduaba a etwa ye ho hia nipa birbia no okomde ye etu so banchi we yetu na ye dwa ebetumi anua na yedi na ebeme ade nti na kai se nkotu banchi na yedi tenka Yesu abadi anka no ase ye nibi o ba Kristo na ga ta mo okomde ni bufu ya mo do me bia kra ma bia Aledia, you will at ye bia making a CD and an acadie. Sanity. You should Bible quit here. What say, young Yesu Lankasa, ye Bible man. Send a book of Luke, chapter 2, verse 1. We started from verse 1 to 25 and and then you come with a woman. You deal with your name if you that. When I say, Yamakoya or any mucho. oh nyama si na kwan so when jina na be do be
Basa odifo sa maki on ni Pentecostal is for chire bent pa for we no mo wo madansi di e na maki fo so wo madansi di e je do mo ji di se wo yare a nyame na so yare no mo wo madansi di ba na ebi ni mu ji ndi sa na ebi so ji di se wo yare a wo so ko hospital
let me to share my say me yare a
the ko hospital
na me ko hospital me ndru kwa me yare a me se bi me ho family ma she dem obi en frame 7 days say me pie na ahwade aba e me gidi you can do say no o yare a oh we cardio we secretary we pressure we piso e kwosoro ma fam da we bi no ma e dia yare sabe bro ma akoma no problem ma be bia na dey e fi mo akọ e ye gidi no but what I say nti no say makio any CS e no na ye gidi a yo biawo but what I say sanity so o blame ya so we obi o pressure ye bi no be tu ase e na you see waste about e na kokko about we bi no be tu ase we stroke about so we so ni bi stroke aka na to and obi o wase ana sa ti we ni ti mu twetwe no we bi no mo so nti se stroke na aka no ko be nya yare sa sho body en kokko ndi we diabetes about we will be diabetes here na member diabetes nti nkotwa online we stomach ulcer about we be treat ya or sana asie betu asho body yankopon die nniam na we so for you one about we be no physical protective brain no wakoma na liver nkodi aduane bi ankoya food poison mention be you feel we stop drinking herbal tea we be so ni bia what tons anu mu a we be no ma pa cho be ni nton eduro ni sayare yare bia odi ananti asase so ache shushumu inemu du prophet adole lima ayaresa beba one thing say me nton eduro bi sayare madaroma ayaresa obi ene ko fa hwe osan yare yare bi wona aka nipa na che nipa ndi ananti ache utumi ka say nipa ne yare na oba ya uta medurama e se wo ye bi se hwe nipa ne chi say yare na kan bibi bu ana bibi ni na ba mu wa na wa prama wo ye na yaresa oba de yankopon hye obi bia no ye obi bia ko hwe bisade man within the prophet Adonai we help you
odifo me da se pa ebusia me da se onya adore na utie komo a me de prophet Adonai eye the person who chat will comment o ma me say na asem sane ni hye bi mu a me de wasem bisa no ama no hey too much subscribe page me adoma no so na me upload ya so na me say betima ka major prophet contact ato a super self friend na find number ase o no eni komo
one akra wala homa uja comment ya tembidi ukudidi atama ya bebo mpaya mana ya mihu bobo ya mishira